Please stop, Schneider's crossing. Saudi crab. Come on, crab. Okay, welcome to the night market, random night market in Samui. That's the market down there, but we need to go and get some cash out, because this little gentleman is running low on cash. And there is another literally night market there near the central Samui. So yeah, get some cash out and see you at the market. Okay, we are entering the night market. Straight away we can see the food. What? Oh yeah, tent. Somebody's sleeping there in the tent. Look at all the food. Grilled squid, shrimps, Saudi crab.
Hello.
Sausages.
Good evening.
Okay, let's go. Fresh coconut, orange juice. Man. And all of this is food. God damn. Okay. Let's see. Here we have some squid. Spicy sauce. Oh, why are they yellow? The hell? Like bright yellow. Not really a big fan of this, but might try it one day. But I think today is not the day. Oops, spicy sausage. Yeah, it is spicy sausage. What's that? Thai squid cake. Thai fish cake. Oh yeah. This is very hot, yeah.
That's satisfying.
Yeah. Apparently they should be very nice. Oh, crab, Saudi crab?
Fried crab.
Yeah, I'm gonna take one crab. That's how she does it. So, can I get one crab? Kapon crab? Can I get one crab? Kapon crab? Yeah, that's it. She cooks it up, puts it in the oil, and that there is this one. Pojoy deep fried crab meat rolls. Oh, maybe should have went for that. No, I think crab should be good. Yeah, but that's satisfying. So satisfying. I'm wondering what are those black things? Is that stones or something? Saudi crab? What is it? Stones? Oh, this black. What is black? This stone? Ah. Oh look, he adds butter to it. Okay, there is definitely some language barrier. Oh, there is my crab. Just like that. What was it, like 2-3 minutes in a oil and my crab is ready. Get some spicy sauce. Crab. Kapon crab. Thank you, bye bye, have a good day. Saudi crab? What is this? Sorry?
Sticky rice.
Oh, sticky rice. What's different? Same? Ah, same. Or is it just sticky rice or something inside? Okay, I might get one of the sticky rice. Can I get one as well? One? Small? Yeah. That's how they do it, open it. That's cool as hell. Kapon crab. Thank you. Kapon crab. Okay, let's go to the next one. I might try a little bit right now. Actually not bad. Okay, what else do we have here? The sticker is so good. Oh, some bugs. Noodles. What's that? Something, some chicken. Oh, sushi. Don't really want any sushi today. We got some sausages over there. I don't even know what I want. That's chicken breast, leg. I think that's. What is this? What is it? Chicken heart? Okay.
What's that one?
What is it? Chicken? Is it liver? Oh, okay. And this is heart? Neck. Okay. And this is heart, yeah? Kapon crab? We got some pork soup. Saudi crab. He got some eggs in there as well. Yes. Oh, he got the chicken drumsticks as well. Oh man. I might get some of this. But okay, let's go see what's there further. That looked so good. Oh wow. That looked very good, but we got something here. I think that's chicken pork neck. Pork. We got some grilled pork ribs. No price though. Some fish. I will try some of that fish, but another day. Definitely not today. Because I always see it on a night market. I want to try it, but I never do. There we have some sausage. What is this? Saudi crab? What is it? Pork? Pork. And this? Beef. Can I have one beef? Beef. Yeah, one. Kapon crab? Yeah, spicy. 30, yeah? Kapon crab. Thank you very much, bye-bye. Okay, got some beef. Oh, check this out. I don't even know the name of them. Just insects. Okay, we got some more stuff here. What is this? Saudi crab? What is this?
50 baht.
ไม่ใช่ขนม
What is this?
This is made from powder and this is like a sugar palm. Sugar palm, but we use mousse inside.
Yeah.
With the powder.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and happy.
Okay. Kapon crab. Maybe you take some later. Thank you. That's something sweet. Yeah, probably gonna take that later. Looks quite nice. What they have here? Crab. Got some raw salmon. Pancakes. What's this here? Oh. They got some chicken here. Chicken, some noodles, egg. Yeah, chicken, egg. No, like kind of noodles. I might get one. Okay, they got pork here.
What's this?
Oh shit, that looks nice.
What's that?
Bombaros. Whatever he just did there. Well, chicken and rice as well looks nice. Just puts chicken, rice, and then some chicken on top. Oh no, actually, yeah. Huh. Smart idea. Chicken drumstick. She didn't like it. Oh, she put bigger one. She see that Sean is bulking. Saudi crab. Can I get one pork with rice? Capon crab. Can sit down, yeah? Capon crab. They're gonna bring it to the table. We're just gonna go and sit down. Me and my sticky rice. Okay then, food is done here. Finished, demolished, annihilated. I didn't film because you see it was dark here. You wouldn't see anything anyways. Let's go see what else is here. Yeah, we're gonna go back to that lady who had that yellow sweet things. I don't even know the name of them. I just want to try one of them because they look good. Saudi crab? Can I get one? Just one of this. Nung. Yeah, one. Capon crab? Capon crab. Thank you. Here we go. Is that? I don't even know.
Which way? You go that way?
I mean, let's go that way. We've been there. Tastes like a sweet bread. Literally like a sweet bread. That's good. Very good. I'm going the wrong direction. Okay, let's go see what else is here. Because market is long, look at that. All the way forward there. But there is no more food in front though. But probably we're gonna see some cool stuff as well. It's a tight night market. There is always something cool. That is spot on. And that's pork there. And now we get into the closes. Closes. I don't know how you call it. Closes? Yeah, closes. Some real Gucci bags here and Louis Vuitton, you see. Original LV bags. Here we got some original Gucci slides. And when I say original, they are original. The real Gucci slides, not whatever you buy in London. Real Gucci slides are sold on a Thai night market. This looks cool. Sorry. No, some watches. Sean, you wanna buy a watch? Oh yes, there we go. Some underwear. Oh, massagers. Yeah, that's massager. Shavers. Some cosmetics down here, straight on a spot, on a night market. Oh, squid. Let's look there. Squid. Dried squid. Oh yes, that's exactly what you need in Koh Samui. Oh, there we go, some games. I'm okay, Capon crab, thank you.
Thank you.
More games.
My firm. Balloon shoot my firm.
Oh, it's okay, Capon crab, thank you.
Balloon cup my firm. Balloon shoot balloon.
Hello. One shot. One opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment. Would you capture it? Oh, this is like a, I think lotto or something like that, yeah. Look, they're choosing the numbers. They're choosing the numbers and then the guy is telling the numbers out. Oh, now we get to the exciting part.
Oh,
Yes.
where the nonsense go.
We came to the right place then. We got some fish in here. So okay, this was one part of the night market. All this area here. I mean, the food area was exciting. The all other stuff, nothing special. Let me go, please. Mr. Schneider crossing. Yeah, we went to this area. Now we need to go to a little bit there to the right. There is a central festival of Samui, and there is one more like small little market. We're gonna go and see what's in there. And Mr. Sean is having a toilet just on there. What a gentleman! What an absolute gentleman! Okay, here we are on the another side. Check it out. Not as much food here, but more of the stuff like that. Like the crocodile leather bags, some bag woman stuff, key fobs, wallets, passport covers, hats, some, I don't know what that is, no idea, some Koh Samui t-shirts. Some chicken. Sorry, crab. Oh, some waterproof bags. Soap. And some like coconut oil and all that kind of stuff. Coconut oil, what's there else? Aloe vera. Some more bags. Real The North Face, real, what is that, Jordan. Some sunglasses here. Some drama happening there. Oh, some Buddha. Oh, what's that? That's a nice balls. Check this out. Elephants, Thailand Muay Thai. Salty crab. Oh, some more here. Check this out. That looks nice. Here we have some magnets. Koh Samui, Thailand. Oh yes. There is a fun here. Oh yes. It does get hot when you walk around. Very hot. Wow, look at these sliders. Holy moly. Saudi crab, bossman? Saudi crab? He didn't understand what's happening. Oh yeah. Taxi. Saudi crab? No, it's okay. I don't smoke. Do I look like a stoner? Opa, yeah. Some more food here. Saudi crab. Some steak, beef steak. Chicken. Oh, crocodile. Kapon crab. I am not ready for some crocodile yet. Here we have some fruit shakes. Sausage. Fruits. Sushi. Oh yeah. Mango sticky rice. Saudi crab. Saudi crab. Bless you. Oh. Some fresh coconut. And that's it. The end of the market. Nothing special, but food was good. Food was very good. Especially that little thing what I ate last, that yellow sweet thing. So yeah, that's it. That's the night market in Koh Samui. Absolutely random night market. We found it when I was driving on this road back to our hotel. Went for a shower and decided to come here for some food. And it was a great success. And I see you on the next one.